it's me again. What do I got? I bought a 3-piece Stinger auger drill bit set. Why did I buy them? I bought these at Lowe's. They were $29.99, I think it was, regular price. They were getting rid of them for $7. So, what am I use these for? I'm drilling holes for wiring. And in Canada, each one of these bits is like $14 a bit. I was gonna buy the Irwin ones, but it was like $7. The Irwin ones online are here in Canada are almost $20 a bit. They're $14 to $20. The Irwin ones, if you go on Amazon.com, they were, last time I checked, they were $24 for a 6-pack. Yeah, $24 for 6. Here they're $14 to $20 per bit, and a 6-pack is some ridiculous amount of money. So these are pretty much the same style I wanted. Auger, drill through the walls, run some wiring, and this what size is it? 3/2 inch, 3/4, and 1 inch is all I needed. I'll use this for now. Order on Amazon. Am I? What do you call it? Actually, what is this? Am I suggesting anybody order on Amazon? No, but hey, these are made in. Where are they? Oh, the Czech Republic. Yeah, there we go, Czech Republic. Because we need to make bits in the Czech Republic and ship them halfway across the world, and waste all that precious fuel that's making the world change the climate. Whatever. Oh wait, I blame it on cows. Yeah, it's cows' fault. So anyway, besides that, they're a 3-piece Stinger auger bit set, 20 times faster, 10 times more. Let's see. View demonstrations, complete usage at SPYDERproducts.com. They cause injury. 3-piece. Wood, nails, plastic, plywood, MDF, laminated wood, and impact hex. I didn't take them out of the package yet, so weird. Let me see. I should take them out of the pack. You know what? I just realized these are. What is this? What kind of shank are these? They have a. Oh, what the hell kind of size? Either that's like a what, 1/2 inch? I don't know. What size shank is that? You want I could read that. Oh, 3/8 inch shank. So now I need a drill with a chuck. So yeah, not bad though. Nice bit. Gotta find me now I gotta buy a new drill with a big chuck. So I don't know if these are like, see those little things? Are those like those little quick connects? Like the other ones you just plug in? Not sure. Anyway, buy drill bits. Yada yada. Amazing. So anyway, if you like, subscribe, help the channel out. I have all kinds of stuff, and keep watching. Keep watching the Don't Know What Utah's Garage Blog channel, whatever you want to call it. Tool channel, whatever. Thanks for watching. Toodles.